Hello everyone, my name is Ernest Peter P. Hernandez from 10 Ptolemy. This is my performance task in mathematics, and it is about geometric sequence. Let's jump up to the topic. What is a geometric sequence? A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term is obtained by multiplying previous term by a fixed constant, called our common ratio. The formula we will be using is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the term number. We have the given problem. A machine produces 10 times the first r, 20 the second, 40 the third, and so on. How many items are produced in the sixth r? To solve it, we will have to do the step 1, that is to identify. First term or a sub 1 is 10. Common ratio r is 2. And term or n is 6 or 6r. Step 2, full solution. Formula, a sub n equals a times r raised to n minus 1. Since we already did the step 1, that is to identify, let's solve it. A sub 6 equals 10 times 2 raised of 6 minus 1. In the raised of 6 minus 1 exponent, we will subtract it. Next, a sub 6 equals 10 times 2 raised to 5. In the 2 raised to 5, we will have to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. Next, a sub 6 equals 10 times 32. 10 times 32 is 320. Therefore, the machine produced 320 items in the sixth hour. Thank you for watching.